Get down, because you're gonna fall and you're gonna hurt yourself. Bella. No, I'm not gonna leave you alone because mommy don't want you to hurt yourself. Please, get down now. Bella. Bella.
No.
You're gonna fall and you're gonna hurt.
No.
Yes.
No, where are going? No, out.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
I don't get on catch.
Come on, get down.
Where's another guy? Out.
Please. You're gonna fall.
Hey. No, the one gonna get a piece. Or what?
Come here. Come here.
Oh, no.
Come here. Get down now. Now get down. Get down. What? What's that? Beef?
Beef.
Beef. Come here.
Beef.
Get down now.
No, we can't go. You know, no car.
What? If you fall down, mommy's gonna feel bad because I let you play in this chair. That's why you need to get down now. Let's go cut your nails.
No, you don't.
Bella, mommy's not gonna leave you alone.
No, mommy, no go. No, yeah. No, mommy.
Say bye-bye.
No, go. No flowers. No kind of flowers.
Flowers? What's this?
Butterfly.
Good job. What about that?
Flowers.
Flowers. What's the color of the flower?
Flower.
Flower. What's the color of your shirt?
Yellow.
Good job. Now come on, get down now. What's the color of the wall?
White.
No, it's not white. What about this?
White.
It's not white. It's blue. Light blue. Blue.
Blue.
Yeah. Can you sing Let It Go? Sing.
Yellow. Yellow. Let go. Let go.
Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? Go away, Bella.
Okay, bye. Love you, love you. How is it going?
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Going to be? No.
No, Mommy's not going to eat that.
Hannah.